820 grams in this Toyota Highlander. We just did a recovery, going right into recharge. Low side is closed. Vacuum is being closed. There's liquid sitting right here on the high side, ready to go in. High side is open. This should be open. Yep, that is open. That is closed. And 800. Let's get up here. Let's see if we could see this. Can I position this so we could see both of them at the same time? Yes, I can. You can see the grams. We want 820 plus or minus 50. So let's shoot for that 820. Let's get it focused here. 1, 2, 3, go. And that didn't work out so great. Nope, sorry. We're not going to get a clear shot of that. We're already hitting 600, 700. Oh, let's shut it off. 800, too fast. On and off. 830, good enough for government work. That's it. That's all it takes.